Hello students, welcome to the maths class of standard 6. Today we are going to start 7.4. Question number 1. Write shaded portion as fraction. So here in this given figure, shaded portion you have to write as a fraction. In short, you have to form fraction and arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign between the fractions. In short, you need to write down fractions and you have to arrange them. First figure, 4 figures are given, 4 circles are given. So you have to convert the circle into a fraction. Total 8 parts in each circle. So everywhere in each and every fraction denominator will be 8. Then in the first circle 3 shaded portions. So numerator is 3. In second one 6. Third one 4 part and in the last one 1 part. Now arrange them in ascending order and descending order. Here you have to see numerator because denominators are equal. So ascending order small to big, it means 1 3 4 6, and descending order it's inverse 6 to 1. Same way you have to do second one. Okay, that is in homework. Now third one, see, show given fractions on the number line, put appropriate signs between the fractions given. So fractions you have to show on the number line. What are the fractions? It's a 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 6 upon 6 and 8 upon 6. Okay, before also I have explained, I think, that whatever denominator is given, into that number of equal part you have to divide any one term. For example, here is the number line, here is the 0 and here is the 1. Okay, so between 0 to 1 you have to make parts, but how many parts? Here denominator is 6, so 6 equal parts you have to make. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, here further you can divide. Now how to name it? So here it's a 0, then 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, 6 and 6 cancel out. So here it is a 1. Here 7 upon 6 and here 8 upon 6. Now you can see in the question in your textbook, here is the question. It's a 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 6 upon 6 and 8 upon 6. And here some fractions are given. You have to put appropriate sign, greater than, less than or equal to. Now denominators are equal, so you have to see the numerator only. 5 is greater than 2, so this is sign of greater than you have to put. 1 is less than 6, so this less than sign you have to put. 3 is greater than and here 8 is greater than. Question number 2. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. So look at the examples. Here first one, it means A and this C. You can see the numerator. You can see the denominator. Denominator is same. When denominator is same, then you have to see its numerator. So 5 is greater than 3. It means 3 is less than 5. And here 4 is less than 5. So you have to put this less than sign. And look at the B and D. Here it's inverse. Numerator is same and denominator is different. So here it's inverse formula you have to use. Here 7 and 4. So what we were doing here, when denominator is same, 3 is smaller than 5, so you have to put the less than sign, but here you have to use inverse. 7 is greater than 4, but you have to put this less than sign. Okay, and here 5 is smaller than 7, but you have to use this greater than sign. Okay, that is the way you have to do. Question number 3. Make 5 more each pairs and put appropriate sign. So here you can see yourself any 5 pairs you can choose and you have to put the sign greater than or less than or equal to. Next one, look at the figure and write greater than or less than between the given pairs of fractions. First one, 1 by 6 and 1 by 3. Okay, here is a figure, here is a 1 by 6 and here is a 1 by 3. Here is a 1 by 3, here is a 1 by 6. You can see in the textbook. Now, as we follow the question, it means we are seeing in the figure and then we are giving answer, then it's clear that this part 1 by 0 to 1 by 3 here, this portion is greater than this portion 1 by 6. Understood? It means 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 6. Or we can say 1 by 6 is smaller than 1 by 3. Second one, B, 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 6. Where is 3 upon 4? Here. Three upon 4 and 2 upon 6 here. So 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 6 because from 0 to 3 upon 4 this distance and 0 to 2 upon 6 that much distance you have to compare. So this one is a greater. So you have to put here this greater than sign. 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. So 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 4. You have to see 0 to 2 by 4. This distance is greater than the second one. Okay. So this sign you have to put. Then D and E, same way you have to follow. So that is in a homework. And this is the question. Make 5 more such problems. That is in homework. You can make yourself. Such examples you can find out. Question number 5. How quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign. Equal to, greater than or less than. First one. 1 by 2, 1 by 5. Here you can see in the fraction numerator is same, denominator is different. So you have to check out the denominator. Here 2 and here 5. So wherever greater denominator is given, that fraction will be smaller. Understood what I am saying? When numerator is equal and denominator is different, then you have to look out the denominator, and where the greater number is there in the denominator, that fraction will be smaller. It means here you have to put less than sign. Then B, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6. 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 6. Okay. Now make it in a reduced form. Here 1 2s are, 2 1s are, and here 2 2s are. Here 3 2s are. Here 1 by 2. So you can see here also 1 by 2 and here also 1 by 2. So both are equal. Okay. Here you have to put equal sign. C, 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3, not 2 upon 5. Here you can see both the denominators are different. You have to make it equal. Then only you can put appropriate sign. Here 5 and here 3. LCM of 5 and 3. So what is the thing? You have to check out denominator. If denominators are same, then you have to see numerator and you have to put simply greater than, equal or less than sign. If like the first example, numerators are equal and denominators are different, then you have to see denominator, and whatever greater number is given in the denominator, that fraction will be smaller. That is the second type. And third type, numerators also different and denominators also different. Then you have to make equivalent fraction. It means you have to make their denominator same. How you can make their denominator same? That you have to find out LCM of 5 and 3. So LCM of 5 and 3 is equal to 15. Okay, this is the LCM 15. Now next step, make the denominator 15. So here 5 is there. If you want here 15 in the denominator, then you need to multiply by 3. 5 3s are 15. Same thing you have to repeat in the numerator. 3 3s are 9. So here you will get 9 and here 15. As the right side, here it is 2 upon 3. If you want 15 here in the denominator, you have to multiply it by 5. So here 2 5s are 10 and here 3 5s are 15. Now denominators are same. Look out the numerators. 9 is less than 10. Okay. So this less than sign you have to put. Understood? So this way you have to follow this method. Okay. Remaining examples we will see in the next part. Thank you.